Hey guys, I'm going to introduce you to what I get to experience every time I come home.
Daddy's home!
Yay! Sammy!
He's so happy.
Stacking wood today. Just gonna bring in the last of the season's firewood, and got some big plans for today. I guess right now I'm shooting some video with my DSLR of the birds going in and out of the bird feeder for some cool B-roll. But yeah, the plan is we're gonna go out and hopefully get some cool family pictures today, and do some chores around the house. I got to change the oil in the tractor and maybe change the axle oil as well. Do some maintenance on the axles. Get the wood in, stuff like that. So should be a fun family day. Do some family activities. I'm really excited to see how the family pictures come out today. It's kind of an overcast day, but you know, relatively bright, so lighting's good. I don't have my ND filters yet, so I won't be able to stop down much, but you know, I should be able to drop the ISO, increase my shutter speed significantly, and still get some pretty crispy shots. A lot of good bokeh. But those will be later on in the video. You'll see those. Lunchtime with the fam. Let's go, George. This is how you do a family photo shoot. Load up the family and then do a photo shoot.